preview.
Hi friends, I'm Parikshet from Club.
Kids Funland Club.
And we are going to draw Rey from Star Wars.
Another cartoon character that is Rey from Star Wars. It is going to be an easy step-by-step drawing of cartoon Rey. So do you want to know how to draw this Rey from Star Wars? Do you want to know? Let's learn how to draw.
Yeah.
We'll be needing a
black pencil and paper and scissors and let's start drawing.
And let's start drawing. Okay, let's start with the eyes of Rey.
Okay.
These are big.
She's not a boy. She is a girl.
Yes. So these are big, round eyes. Nose. The face. The shape of the face is weird actually, a little. Right, Parikshet?
It's going to be a little bit curved type.
Yes.
Can't you, Baba, please wait for me?
Okay.
Mine is looking like that.
Okay. 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 And now we will be doing something like this.
Not able to draw something.
Okay, no problem, it's okay.
You will also not able.
Yes, I have been able to.
This is going to be almost same by like Luke, but not
A little different.
a little bit.
Yes, and a strand of hairs from this side.
This is going to be a little confusing.
The eyebrows.
It's going to be a confusing drawing.
You're done with the eyebrows? Let's get the eyebrows done. Okay,
Oh my, I messed up the drawing.
it's okay. Let's finish it up.
Mine looks like something else on me.
It's okay, just keep it like this. The hairs like this. Yeah. Good. Now let's make the lower part of the body. Yes. If you can make this good, it will look good. We are good until here.
She's looking like a baby still.
Okay.
But she's a real ninja.
So she is Rey from Star Wars.
Yeah.
Now this is
What's
her-
Rex?
This is the bag. And now let's draw the hand. So it's an easy drawing. See, it's such a quick drawing. But Parikshet is finding it a little tough. Why is that so, Parikshet?
That's not tough.
Not tough? Easy for you as well? Good. We draw the stick that is there in our hand. What do we call it? I don't know.
I never play like Rey in Star Wars. Only Luke.
The loop?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now the legs.
If Luke versus she, I think you think who will win?
I will win.
Luke versus Rey.
The shoes. I don't know. These are the shoes.
have boots,
Yes.
not shoes.
Boots. Absolutely right. Parikshet more. And I am done with my drawing of Rey. Now I'll be using the colors, starting with the face. By the time Parikshet does his drawing, this is a challenge time for you. If you share your kids' drawings with us in the next 2 hours, you can win some amazing goodies. Yes, you can win some amazing goodies. So I'll be waiting for your kids' drawings. You can share it on Instagram, tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and hashtag #KidsFunLearnClub and you can win those goodies. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day, and yes, let's hear from Parikshet what he has to say once he finishes his drawings. Wow.
This is looking better.
Yeah.
If you love this video, do like and subscribe my channel to see more of these amazing videos, friends. Bye.